Okay, so welcome to this lecture on chemistry, and today we're going to be talking about the naming of chemical compounds. And the system of naming I'm going to be teaching you today is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry (Iupac) system, and that is what I'm going to be teaching you today. So for you to understand Iupac system well, you need to understand the concept of oxidation number. Now, oxidation number, it's a positive or negative number that we give to an atom. Okay, and there are so many rules that goes around the concept of oxidation number. Now, one of it is that whenever you have a monoatomic ion, for example, let's say fluorine is the element number 9 on the periodic table, and the ion, which is the charged aspect of fluorine, is called fluoride. And of course, fluorine is number 9 on the periodic table. For it to attain octet structure closest to it, which is 10, for it to go from 10 to 9, that will be -1. So the charge that fluorine is going to be carrying is going to be usually -1. And I would like to illustrate to you at this point that the atomic number of fluorine is 9, and the atomic mass of fluorine is 19. So this translates to me that fluorine is going to have 9 protons. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 protons, but then it's going to have 10 neutrons, thereby making the mass to be 19. Okay, how many now? 4. Okay, just one left. So thereby making its mass to be 19, because the 9 proton plus the 10 neutron, that's going to give us 19. Then it's going to have, because it's number 9 on the periodic table, it's going to have 9 electrons circling these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But out of these 9, usually you see that 2 of them are usually closer to the nucleus, while the other ones will be circling around. Okay, so you see that this way, fluoride is not so balanced. For it to be balanced, it needs to have 10 electrons for it to be similar to neon, the closest octet structure to it. So if fluorine accepts 1 extra electron to make it balanced, for it to now have a total of 10 electrons, of course you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if it accepts 1 electron in order to make it balanced, then you now see that the charge of fluorine is going to change, because before it was 9 proton, which is 9 positive charge, against 9 electron, which is 9 negative charge, and plus 9 minus 9, they cancel out. So the charge it's basically simple. But at this point, if it accepts 1 more electron, and thereby making it to be balanced, you see that the charge is no longer the same. In this way, we are having 9 proton, which is 9 positive charge, and then 10 neutron, 10 electron rather, and this is 10 minus 10 charge. So plus 9 minus 10 gives it an overall charge of -1. So this fluoride ion here that is carrying the -1 charge, the oxidation number is going to correspond to the charge, and the oxidation number of fluorine is going